We'll start early.
Yes, sir. Good morning, respective judges and everyone present here. My name is Maya Dhanani, and my teammates present here are Arjun, Ismail, Vishwa, and Punya. Our team captain is Harshit. We are representing Team VEGAM from Amrita School of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, we are here to present the cost report of Team VEGAM. So, let's begin. This is an overview of how we have structured our cost plan. Our presentation will cover main points which are crucial in understanding the cost report. We have organized the content into the following segments: importance of cost report, types of cost, cost consideration, kart manufacturing process, operations done on the kart, go kart manufacturing estimated cost, frame and body, steering system, powertrain and drivetrain, wheel assembly and tires, braking system, electrical and wiring, and fit and finish. The cost is important for effective budget management, ensuring positive cash flow and supporting quality control. It guides manufacturing planning, which in case optimizes processes and resources. Additionally, it develops close relations with suppliers, contributing to overall operational success. Next. The importance of different types of costs lies in the ability to categorize expenses, understanding spending factors, and taking informed decisions. Material cost, process cost, fasteners cost, and tooling cost are the different types of cost. Next slide. The cost of a vehicle should be a true reflection of the product we bring to the competition. Everything present in the vehicle during the technical inspection is accurately presented in the cost report. We are committed to ensure that every component, feature, or part integrated into the vehicle is accounted transparently into the cost report. All purchased parts are at full retail cost. By contacting the suppliers and referring various sites, no extra cost has been added. It also includes 18% GST. A go kart is a next slide, please. Go kart is a harmonious assembly of essential components which electively define its performance. Its heartbeat is the engine, while the bodywork envelops the vehicle, providing aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. The drivetrain channels the part of the wheel connected within the frame that forms the cart's structural backbone, ensuring stability and resilience. The brakes serve as the guardians of control, allowing precise deceleration, which is very important for racing. This is the process which we followed, and now Arjun will take over.
So good morning, everyone. So I'll take off from here. So let's get into the overview of the parts and components and their estimated cost. So the frame and body, which constitutes the style and the support of the go-kart, cost us about 21,015 rupees, while the steering system cost us 5,490 as a whole. The braking system cost us 8,596 rupees, while the wheels assembly and tires cost us 19,320. The powertrain and drivetrain cost us around 15,815 rupees. The electrical and wiring cost us about 5,950. The fit and finish at last cost us around 2,900 rupees. So the total cost and estimate cost about the whole go kart comes up around 79,086 rupees. So let's get into the detailed overview of each parts. So the frame and body. So the frame body constitutes the support and style of the go-kart, and the frame costs us about 19,065, which we have built. We've just bought the raw materials and we have done the bending and everything in our house, and it's only the welding is done by labor, so it didn't cost us much. So the cost of the frame was about 19,065. The front body mount cost us 140 rupees, and we had two of those, so 280 rupees. Body mount left and right, which we had a quantity of four, so which cost us 560 rupees. The rear body mount cost us about 180, and we had two of those. And the driver's seat is 19,050. So the frame body constitutes of mainly of the frame, Frame is the part which costs us a lot for the material and the labor. Next. So coming on to the steering system, the steering wheel cost us around 12,000 1,255, and the hub steering wheel, which connects the steering wheel and the steering column, costs us around 690. The steering column costs us 900 rupees, and the bearing steering column pivot costed us 245. The housing bearing cost us 200, and the tripod cost us 400. The tie rod left cost us 550, and the tie rod right cost us 550. The rod and bearings cost us 600 rupees. The steering wheel positive stop left cost us 50, and the steering wheel positive stop right cost us 50. The steering system as a whole we have bought it from outside, and it costs us around 5,490. So I'll let Ismail continue.
So I'm Ismail, will be talking about the powertrain here. Powertrain comprises the engine, transmission, drivetrain, forming an integral system for power transmission in a vehicle, and the engine generates mechanical power through combustion, which is then transmitted to the wheels via the transmission and drivetrains. The transmission regulates the torque and speed, optimizing the performance and the fuel efficiency. And the overall powertrain is a complex system that harmonizes components of efficient and controlled vehicle movement. So here in powertrain, we have included the engine, gearbox, clutch, throttle cable, clutch cable, and the exhaust, which cost around 9,105 rupees. And the drivetrain, we have included the engine, transmission, drivetrain,
Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. I think he has got some network issues.
Sorry for the issue. Sorry for some network issues happened. And in sprocket, in drivetrain, we have issued sprocket set, hub, shafts, chains, and bearings. And for the fuel tank, it costs around 1,500. Fuel tank mount is for 70, and the fuel pipe is for 20. And next will be of the wheels, rims, and the tires. Next slide. So
Uh,
So the wheels, rims are the integral parts of the vehicle configuration. The wheel is the entire assembly, including tire, while the rim is the outer edge of the wheel that holds the tire in place. So here for us, the wheels, it's cost wheels which are the rims, which cost around 3,000 rupees for the each part. So sum of 12,000 has been done, and for the tire, it's 1,000 rupees, and for the four tires is 4,000, and for the axle, which is for the left, right, 1,200 each, and for the rear wheel hub, it's 460 each, and the total cost is 19,320 rupees. So next, we're talking about the braking. I'll be hand over to the next colleague.
Good morning, everyone. The braking is a process of stopping the vehicle. So, in the braking system, we use the parts of brake fluid, master cylinder, brake pedal, fluid line, and brake caliper, rotor. And we also use a brake hub assembly, which we was the manufactured part. And brake fluid cost us around the 176 rupees, and the master cylinder costed us 1,720 rupees. And whereas the brake pedal costed 370 rupees, and the fluid line costed around 750 rupees. And next, coming to brake caliper, it cost us around 2,150 rupees, and rotor was costed around 1,630 rupees, and brake assembly was around 800. So the total cost for the braking system was 8,596 rupees. Next.
So now moving on to the electronics and wiring. The electronics and wiring compromises of all the main electrical system that has been included in the go-kart. That mainly consists of battery, wiring harness, brake light, and brake light sensor, kill switches, brake over travel switch, and start switch. So the whole of the electronics and wiring has costed us around total of 5,950 rupees, and battery and start switch consisting of most of the costs. So and at last, I would like to present the fit and finish that has paint and the stickers what we are using on the go kart, and the fire extinguishers. So paint, we have used black enamel paint that has costed us around 1,100 rupees, and stickers has costed around 600, and two 1 kg fire extinguisher that has costed 600 rupees, and that is 1,200, and the total cost has is 2,900. So with this all all the parts and component costing us around 79,086 rupees for the whole go kart. Thank you.